And hours before today's court ruling on the Rivers State allocations, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekere-Ekun, had summoned judges involved in conflicting rulings on political cases in Rivers State. A panel of the National Judicial Council is expected to probe the judges and submit a report to the CJN, who is also the chairman of the NJC. Celestina Area reports.
The recent gale of conflicting judicial decisions in Nigeria is now seen as a clear and present danger to this arm of government, undermining public confidence and threatening democracy, political stability, and economic growth. While conflicting decisions are sometimes inevitable due to the complexities of the legal system, there is frightening increase in cases where litigants obtain conflicting judgment from court of coordinate jurisdiction, which is as a danger to the dispensation of justice. Conflicting decisions either arise from genuine differences in legal interpretation, judicial overlap, or deliberate attempts to manipulate the legal system. In 2020, there were two conflicting orders of the Federal High Court in Port Harcourt and that of Edo State High Court on the qualification of Godwin Obaseki to contest the 2020 governorship election in Edo State. While the Federal High Court in Port Harcourt barred Godwin Obaseki from participating in the election, the Federal High Court in Edo cleared him to participate.
The judiciary is made of Nigerian people as well. Yes, this is a major challenge that must be addressed, but we must acknowledge the fact that it's not even just about the bench alone. So those of us who are lawyers at the bar also need to recognize the fact that we're contributing to some of these challenges. Then individuals outside, judges don't just come up with orders, they are Father Christmas, and they don't just come up with decisions. Oftentimes Nigerians, litigants, lawyers approach the court with their complaints and seek relief as the case may be.
Another case is the political impasse in Rivers State caused by the conflicting decisions of two federal high courts. Justice James Omotosho nullified the Rivers 2025 Appropriation Bill of 800.3 billion naira that has been passed by former Speaker Edison Ehi and signed into law by Governor Similayo Fubara, and directed the governor to represent the budget to Martin Amewele-led House of Assembly. However, a few hours after the delivery of the judgment of Justice James Omotosho, Justice J.O. Abdulmalik delivered a ruling ordering substituted service of the originating processes on all defendants in the suit filed by some Rivers elders to stop Governor Fubara from re-representing the budget to the Martin Amewele-led faction of the House of Assembly. The court also ordered parties to maintain status quo pending the hearing and determination of the motion expertise filed by the elders. Now, the CJN has summoned judges involved in the cases pertaining to Rivers State and set up a panel to investigate these judgments. The panel, headed by a former Court of Appeal justice, includes two heads of courts. The summons is for the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court and judges who delivered rulings both in Rivers and Abuja in respect to the political crisis in Rivers State. Celestina Area, TVC News.